This is Malaika Arora's newest restaurant, Sweeney. Let's see how expensive it is to get a vegetarian lunch here.
Today I dressed in bold black and white stripes for a bold mix of Thai and European cuisine. Malaika Arora, here I come.
Welcome to Sweeney. Let's go, guys. Beautiful color. I love this door. Hi. Good afternoon. Can I have a table for one, please? Yeah. All right. Thank you so much. Can you bring me your 4 bestest vegetarian dishes and 1 mocktail?
This is a welcome drinks from my side.
Oh, so how am I supposed to drink this as a shot or what's the purpose?
You can also sip it down.
Sip it down.
Don't need to ask me twice, I get high on life and mocktails.
This is your Samui and Normandy mocktail, ma'am.
Looks very minimalistic.
The Samui and Normandy mocktail, very pretty and very calm. But sadly the flavor was also calm, a little too calm. Coconut green apple hint was there but expected more. 7 out of 10.
This is your lotus root and pomelo salad.
The lotus root and pomelo salad looked interesting and very unique. Did not expect this to taste like this. Sweet, sour, spicy, crispy. In this combo lots was happening but happening in a very good way.
I love this.
8.5 out of 10.
I really love this entire ambience, and the funniest thing is there is a DJ booth right there.
I thought, why not DJ myself? Turns out I had no talent to be a DJ.
This is your truffle honey feta parcel.
The truffle honey feta parcel looked like my Amazon order arrived right at the table, and I did not want to return this one. Feta, figs, nuts and sticky honey. Crispy outside, chewy, sticky inside. 9 out of 10.
It's your pineapple rice.
Oh wow.
The pineapple rice. Presentation absolutely outstanding. Taste-wise, it's basically fried rice that went on a tropical vacation. Good fun but not life-changing. 8 out of 10.
Mango sticky rice, crème brûlée.
I love the mangoes down here.
The mango sticky rice. Sweet mango, creamy sticky rice and vanilla ice cream. Served in a champagne glass like a celebration. And honestly, the flavors also felt like a celebration.
Can I have 20 of these, please?
9 out of 10. And then out of nowhere,
Hi. Yes, nice to meet you again.
the same chef I had met a few weeks ago at Scarlet House was suddenly standing right in front of me. And he surprised me with a complimentary dessert. The drop the egg.
I pick up my step and I just drop it.
Looks very cool, very Instagrammable. You drop the egg, it breaks, chocolate and nuts fall from inside. Taste was good, but the main thing here is the fun. 7 out of 10.
Can I have the bill, please? Yes.
Even though it was a very kind gesture by the chef,
I love that you gave it to me, but I would insist on paying for the egg.
No, ma'am, please.
knowing my values, I couldn't accept a complimentary dessert, so I insisted on paying for it. But when I saw the price of drop the egg, my heart dropped before the egg did. $13, which is technically not a lot for US standards. So the total bill is 4,373 rupees, which is around $47 for 5 items in total. Sometimes staying true to yourself comes at a cost, and the real loss would have been in compromising who I truly am.
Bestest.